Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product determination of age and gender based on features of human. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Moving object detection and tracking is often the first step in applications such as the video surveillance. Hence, in this process, the main objective of to detect the moving object and tracking the system with the static camera has been developed to estimate the velocity distance parameters. We proposes a general moving object detection and tracking based on the vision system using the image difference algorithm. Hence, we detect the age and gender also. By using the walking style and the walking speed, the age of the persons will be detected. And also by using the face of the person, we can detect the gender of the persons. Whether it is a male face means it will be detected as a male, and or otherwise if it is the female face means it will be detected as a female. By using the walking speed, we can calculate the speed of the walking. Hence, we can give the respected age of the persons. Hence, the tracking and face recognition combined together gives the more efficient to this process. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input video is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input video. After getting any one video from the dataset, the frame conversion and frame resize will be carried out. The frame conversion is nothing but the converting the video into the sequence of images. After the frame conversion, the frame resize will be carried out. Frame resize is resizing the number of pixels and number of pixels in the row wise and column wise. After the pre-processing step, the segmentation will be carried out. In this segmentation, we can extract the background and then the foreground separately. Foreground is the region of interest which we have required in this project. After the segmentation, the feature extraction is carried out. This feature extraction, we using the Gerber feature extraction method to extract the feature values from the frames. After the feature extraction, the classification was done to identify the gender and age of the people. So here we using the AdaBoost classification technique to classify. After the classification step, the performance estimation is done. This performance estimation, we can use the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. By using these three parameters, we can justify our process is efficient. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the mainfile.yum and select the option run. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the video. Select any one video from the dataset. After the selection of the video, the corresponding video will be processed. Now the process will be done automatically. This is the original video which I have selected from the dataset. After that, the frame conversion will be carried out. In this frame conversion, the video is converted into the sequence of images. After the frame conversion, the frame resize will be carried out. In the frame resize, the image is resized into a ratio of 256:256. After the image resize, the segmentation will be carried out. That is nothing but the background subtraction. Here the foreground region is the human, and then the other background will be eliminated. Only the human region will be extracted. Now the colored foreground region, that is the original pixels of the foreground, will be extracted, and then the other backgrounds will be eliminated. Now the another dataset was opened, in that you can select the phrase from that. Now I select the face from the dataset video. Now the selected face will be processed. Now I will explain the results one by one for the face detection. This is the face detected image. Then this is the face extracted image. After that the feature is extracted by use of Gaper. After the feature extraction, the age will be predicted and then message box will be displayed. Then the gender of the input is also shown here. Those results are mentioned in the command window.
Thanks for watching this video.